Hi doll collectors! Today we're going to unbox Barbie Looks number 3. The Barbie Looks number 3 is part of the first release of the Barbie Looks line in 2021. This is a new face mold introduced in the market, which is called Kit. The Barbie Looks collection comes in a minimalist packaging. It's mostly white background and even the clothes are subdued. And at the back of the box, you would see the first release of the rest of the dolls as part of the collection. Out of the 6 dolls, so far the only doll that I don't have yet is doll number 1, which is typically called a Latina doll. I'm still thinking on whether I should get one. So, to unbox, just flip the lid at the top of the box and pull out the rest of the packaging. And flip the box and remove the plastic tags that hold the doll and the box together. What I typically do is I avoid using scissors. The last time I used scissors, I ended up cutting part of the dress, so I try to avoid that from happening. And this is Kit. You would see that she has a very short bobbed hair, nude lipstick, black and white mesh top with showing her midrib, and you would see here that she's wearing a pencil skirt which cuts right below the knee. She's wearing a black platform sandals to match her outfit. I like this particular design because it really reminded me of real fashion that people wear. Almost all of the Barbie Looks doll have this on their knees when they arrive to you. So remember to remove them. These are practically carton that's wrapped around their knees. Maybe some form of protection on the dolls while they're still in their packaging. This doll has flocking at the back and side of its head. So just a usual reminder, if you manage to get this doll wet, just don't rub it so it dries and it doesn't hurt the hair. Of course, this doll is made to move. This is actually one of the reasons why I'm really crazy about the Barbie Looks. So you can make this pose any way you want because of its high articulation. This doll is actually petite, so here she is standing side by side with the other 2 ladies in the collection. You could see their height for comparison. Out of all the dolls in the Looks collection, Kit is actually, I guess, one of my favorite. She looks like a real person. Did you like this video? Why not follow me in my Instagram account, Barbiscopo, and subscribe to my channel, The Doll Collector PH. Thanks for watching!